Dionysus, the ancient Greek god of wine, pleasure, festivity, and madness. We might summarize by saying that Dionysus is the god of wild party animals. He is often accompanied by wild satyrs and his female followers, the Maenads or Menades. One would expect to see this party in unison dancing and drinking the night away into a chaotic frenzy. We should get the feeling that if Dionysus blessed your festivities with his presence, it was sure to be a wild affair. Dionysus is often depicted with a drinking vessel, an ivy crown, and a pine cone staff called thyrsos. As the god of wine, he is certainly associated with grapes, as well as wine and drinking in general. Like other Greek gods, Dionysus has a series of spirit animals, including a leopard, a tiger, the bull, and serpents. He is often depicted riding upon a leopard, or riding a chariot pulled by a pair of leopards. As is the case with great myths, Dionysus has multiple origin stories. Predominantly speaking, he is known as the son of Zeus, and he is among the great 12 Olympians as such. In one story, Dionysus was the son of Zeus and a princess named Semele of Thebes. Hera, the wife of Zeus, was jealous of the affair, and she tricked Semele into a meeting with Zeus, which caused her to die from the intensity of Zeus's great lightning power. Semele was still pregnant when she died, still pregnant with Dionysus at the time, and Zeus took Dionysus from her womb, stitching him into his own thigh to rear him into life. Thus was born this wild god Dionysus, who still looks after us in times of wild festivities and drinking madly into the evening with the satyrs and the Maenads.